Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm pretty sure you've at least used a to-do list once in your lifetime. But have you ever wondered why a to-do list will become such a popular productivity tool all around the world? How does it function psychologically in our life? Well, watch this video to find out your answer. Before that, remember to give this video a thumbs up and also do share it with people around you. Most importantly, this channel aims to bring you information about psychology degree and also some psychological hacks and tricks that will be beneficial for your life and also for your career. So, if you're interested in content like this, then don't forget to hit on the subscribe button so that you wouldn't miss any of my future content. If by any chance you haven't heard of the term to-do list before, it is essentially a list of tasks that you need to be completing within a stipulated amount of time. For example, finish typing the proposal, sending your kids to daycare center at 6 p.m. in the morning, cooking lunch, dinner, and many other more. For some, a to-do list acts as a reminder for them to complete all these essential tasks that are being listed on the list, and for others, it acts as a planner for them to plan out their days so that they could have a more productive day. However, are all this the main reason behind why a to-do list has become one of the most productive, most powerful productivity tools in the world? Well, not really. In order to understand that, we need to dig a little bit deeper. First of all, we will need to understand one of the psychological terms that is known as the Zeigarnik effect. Essentially, what it means is that we are more likely to remember unfinished tasks more than a finished task. For example, you're more likely to remember the content of an unfinished report more than the content of a finished report. But how does this phenomenon has anything to do with a to-do list? Well, it has everything to do with a to-do list. If you dive deeper, the fact that you're more likely to remember the content of an unfinished task means your mental capacity has been partially occupied. With that, you are less likely to have the enough mental capacity to be processing the upcoming tasks that will be assigned to you in the near future. Moreover, this idea has been validated by one of the studies done by Baumeister and Masicampo back in 2011. They found that people who did not complete a warm-up task did worse in a subsequent brainstorming activity because the warm-up task was still occupying their active memory. And this is where a to-do list comes into rescue. We'll briefly talk about how some users use a to-do list as a planner and how some use it as a reminder. But yes, they are all using it for the right purpose. The scientific rationale behind their action is due to the fact that creating a to-do list will help the user to clear up more mental space so that they can put in more focus into completing each and every single task that are being listed on that to-do list. Aside from getting your work done, you are also at the same time increasing the quality of your work output. Therefore, this is also part of the reason why a to-do list is one of the most powerful and popular productivity tools. Now, you might be saying that
I've been using to-do lists for the longest time already, but yet I still find it very difficult to cross off every single task that I have listed down on that to-do list. Well,
don't worry, let me introduce you to 4 different methods of creating a to-do list. I won't go into details because my intention here is to introduce you to these 4 different methods, and then your job here is to try out every single method and stick to one that works best for you. I retrieved the list of methods from the Harvard Business Review, so if you're interested to check out the original article, please feel free to go to the description box below, click on the link, and then check it out yourself. First, organize your tasks using a digital calendar rather than writing it down on a piece of paper, because this will allow you to block a specific amount of time to complete a specific task. Second, complete your to-do list and then laser focus on only completing one task. In other words, after you have already decided to complete a task, laser focus on that and ignore the rest. Third, if you are working in different teams, working in different projects, working with different stakeholders, then you should probably consider using a digital task manager that offers a wide variety of functions. For example, sorting projects, sorting recurring tasks, and also rescheduling reoccurring tasks to the different people that are being involved in that particular project. Lastly, creating 3 different lists that consist of tasks with different urgency. This will allow you to focus more on completing tasks that require your immediate attention and leave aside tasks that don't require your attention so soon. Yeah, different people might be using to-do lists for different purposes, but the underlying reason behind using a to-do list will always be the fact that creating a to-do list helps us to free up our mental space. So, if you are yet to experience it yourself, then do give to-do list a try. who knows, you might be able to extend your productivity in your life and also in your career. Thank you so much for watching till this far, and that's all I have for you guys today. If you liked the video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also do share that with people around you. And let's say if you're interested to learn more about psychology degree and some of the other psychological hacks and tricks that will be beneficial for your life and for your career, then don't forget to hit on the subscribe button so that you won't miss any of my future content. Till then, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye!